Have you ever felt that there is more to your existence than just this life? Like your soul is connected to something so vast, so divine that even words fall short of describing it. That feeling isn't just your imagination, it's a memory. A soul memory of a place that you have been before. A place beyond the time, beyond space, what we call the Akashic Realms. In this video, we are going to explore what the Akashic Realms truly are, how they differ from the Akashic records, and why your soul keep trying to return to these realms, especially when you are into deep transformation or healing. So grab a notebook, take a breath, and let's dive in. So let's start with the basic. The Akashic records are not just a library or a record keeping space. They are multi-dimensional realms of your consciousness, where your soul's truth, history, and the divine essence are stored and are accessible. There are spiritual ecosystem that holds the Akashic records of every soul, the light codes your soul was born with, the blueprints of your soul lessons, the soul agreements you have made with other beings, and even the unmanifested potentials that you haven't yet activated. So you can think of Akashic realms as the infinite spiritual cloud storage of all souls, where truth vibrates at the purest frequency. It's not just one place, it's the collection of dimensions, each holding different layers of wisdom. Now, you might be wondering, wait, I thought the Akashic records were the main thing. So what's the difference? Here is the difference. The Akashic records are the books, which is personal to your soul, and the Akashic realms are the library, the atmosphere, the spiritual frequency that holds those books and so much more. Imagine walking into a beautiful grand hall. Your personal records might be just one wing, but the entire hall has different chambers, scrolls, timelines, even guardians. That's the Akashic realm. It's bigger than just your record. It holds the ancestral karma, collective consciousness pattern, cosmic wisdom, and the soul libraries of every being who has ever existed. And yes, that includes you. Now here is where it gets exciting and to go deep. When you begin to connect with the Akashic realms, you gain access to your past life. Not just what happened, but the emotional imprint they left behind. The future potential, soul paths you haven't yet walked but are available to you. Your soul family who is guiding you, who incarnated with you. The origin of the karmic loops. Why you keep attracting the same pain or patterns. The energetic blocks in your chakras and your auric bodies. The divine mission, your reason of being in this lifetime. Let that just sink in. This realm holds all of it. And here is the magic. When accessed correctly, this information doesn't just satisfy your curiosity, it activates healing, clarity, transformation in your current life. Now, who can access the Akashic realms? You don't need to be a monk, a guru, someone who meditates for 50 years to access it, but the Akashic realms are accessible to every soul who seeks truth with unity, intention, alignment, and frequency. But here's what most people don't tell you. You can't access these realms just by wishing or reading about them. The entry point requires the energetic alignment, the grounded intention, a clear heart, and a willingness to receive the truth even if it challenges your ego. This is why working with the trained Akashic record reader or a guide can help you open the doors faster, because they know the vibrational codes. They have built a relationship with the gatekeepers. They can hold the energetic containers while guiding you through these higher dimensions. So how do you know that you're ready to explore these realms? So I'm going to give you some signs that your soul is already knocking on these doors. You are feeling unexplainable fatigueness. Your energy is shifting. You keep dreaming of the same place or symbols. You are having past life memories or even deja vu experiences. You are deeply dissatisfied with the surface level answers. You feel like your life is trying to wake up to something bigger. Sounds familiar? These are not random. They are invitations from your soul to go deeper, to reconnect with yourself, and this is what your life is for. Now, how to begin your journey into the Akashic realms? Number 1, start with meditation. Focus on stillness. Listen to the whispers of your soul. Give time to yourself. Number 2, set a soul level intention. Ask, what am I ready to see and receive? Third, journal your dreams and pattern. Your subconscious is already connected. And number 4, work with your guides. A professional Akashic record reader can help you access deeper truths with precision and care. If your soul is ready for that next step, stop guessing and start receiving the direct messages from your soul truth. I invite you to book one-on-one personal Akashic record reading with me. This isn't a generic psychic session. This is a deep soul work, deep, sacred, transformative. We go straight into the soul's library, decode the karmic loops, open pathways of healing, growth, and purpose. The Akashic realms are waiting for you, and they will only open if you choose to knock. So, the next time you feel like something is missing from your healing journey, or you're searching for a deeper truth that therapy, journey, affirmation haven't touched, remember, it might be time for your Akashic records. You are not here to repeat the same pain. You're here to remember who you are, why you came, and what your soul has already overcome. If this video resonated, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. Have you ever felt a pull towards something bigger, like your soul was trying to reach home? Let's have a real conversation below, and I'll see you between the pages of your soul's book. See you soon.